It doesn't matter who, the name of the person, or how big they are, like Jay-Z, I tell him, you're just a man. You're just a man to me. When I went to the studio with him, I didn't wear no shoes. I was barefoot. I just leave out of my yard and straight to the studio.
Badly say do it. No, 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 no.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers whether they are yard and abroad. And right about now, who not subscribe, kindly subscribe. Who subscribe, just like the video and hit the notification bell. Comment your thoughts on this video, you see me? But my viewers and subscribers, I do not want to get too long on this video. So right about now, I'm going to tune in right now into this video. So right now we have Sister Nancy is talking about the day she met Jay-Z and Beyonce. Is like it's like Jay-Z was acting some type of way, but she was telling him some other stuff as well, because at one point she said Jay-Z wife, that's Beyonce, like love her song, that is this song.
Lyrics. When you hear them, I sound like crispy biscuit. You come in a stadium, Mr. Well, crispy bum bum. Say what a bum bum.
Viewers and subscribers, you see the video of Sister Nancy, the song that Jay-Z wife's love, that is Beyonce. You get my viewers and subscribers. So right about now, I'm going to show you all the video that since Sister Nancy was is talking about Jay-Z and Beyonce. So watch this video right now, and I'm going to tune into our next video of what Andrew Holness has to say about the deportee. Yes, for my viewers and subs, so listen and watch. We get next to Andrew Holness.
It doesn't matter who, the name of the person, or how big they are, like Jay-Z, I tell him, you're just a man. You're just a man to me. When I went to the studio with him, I didn't wear no shoes. I was barefoot. I just leave out of my yard and straight to the studio. I tell him, my man is just a man. You're a man. You look for me. I didn't look for you. So I'm more important than you. Yeah. Yeah.
Well, Jay-Z's wife. Jay-Z's wife.
Beyonce.
Yeah,
He told me Beyonce really
Beyonce.
loved my... He said that's my wife's favorite song.
Yeah,
Yes.
I was really surprised to hear that.
Yeah.
Not that it shouldn't be her favorite song.
He told me, because she used it when she works.
That's
She
right.
used it live. She didn't sample it, she used it live.
Yeah.
But that's okay, I love all of them. All of them can use it because it makes it better for me.
Let's just hear what Andrew Holness have to say about the deporting my viewers and subscribers. So I want you to tune in, comment your thoughts, and like the video. I'm out.
But let me be clear that for those Jamaicans who intend to come back with crime and violence to undermine what we have been building here, let me be clear to you that this is not the Jamaica that you left 10 or 20 years ago. It is not the JCF that you left 10 or 20 years ago. You will either meet a judge or your maker if you come back to Jamaica and violate our laws and create havoc. I know that there are many who will be returning to Jamaica, coming back to lovely communities like these, rural areas like these, and they may attempt to set up gangs, get involved in scamming, and undermine the values of the communities that they return to. We will not tolerate that. We want all our Jamaicans to always feel that they have somewhere to come back to and call home and be well received. Come back with a good heart and a good mind. Come back willing to work. Come back with your resources. You will be able to make life here. But don't come back here to undermine and destroy what we have built. The government is already planning in terms of putting in place new measures, enhanced security measures, to address those who we know have a criminal past or who have been interdicted in the United States, convicted in the United States, and are being returned after serving their criminal penalties there. And we will ensure that they are appropriately monitored here and that they are not in any way contributing to an increase in our crime or murder rate. We have sacrificed long and hard. The people of Jamaica have borne the negative impacts of local violence. We will not tolerate criminals coming back here to increase our crime rate or murder rate. It is on a downward trajectory. We're doing very well, and we will not allow this to happen.
First thing first, Mr. Andrew Wallace. I want to ask you, Mr. Prime Minister, are you God? Are you God? And to be honest, you're not the creator, you're not a savior, you're not someone that the people in Jamaica want to be a leader for them, for the country. No, it's because of your corruption. It's because of your stealing. You get me, my viewers and subscribers. Him not understand. Andrew, you not understand, bro. You look on the least set of things when there is major problems in Jamaica that need to be sorted out, bro. You get me? And this man just make it look like, say, it's a hard thing to do. You see me? Because you have so many police and soldiers in the country, bro, and the crime rate is going much higher and higher. You get me? But my viewers and subscribers, for me, I do not choose any political party or political organization, none of the two. So